Hi, Dr. Eric Lund, your Roseville neck and back pain relief chiropractor. And we have Wayne in the office with us today. Wayne has some degenerative changes in his lower back or arthritis that flared up after moving. And so we treat him 3 times. He's about 80% better. So we'll treat him a day and then basically he can kind of see how he's doing. If he needs to come back, he'll do that from there. Otherwise, if he's doing well, we'll just release him and go on an as-needed basis from there. So we'll show you what we've done to help his lower back pain. All right, let's have you drop your arms down. Take a breath in. Okay, let's have you lay on your left side first and you'll face me over here, please. Scooch a little bit. Let's have you on the other side, please. Straighten that leg out. And then scooch a little bit closer. Good. And keep that bottom leg straight. Let's have you on your back, please. So we've been working on, we adjusted his SI joint on the right and his L5 on the left. All right, thanks for watching. This has been Dr. Eric Lund, your Roseville neck and back pain relief chiropractor.